Have you searched for free Cash App money and ended up finding fake hacks, scam generators, and people promising hundreds of dollars overnight? Forget all that. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 legitimate platforms that can help you earn real extra cash and get paid directly to your Cash App account. These are platforms I've personally researched and tested, and I'll tell you exactly what to expect, how much you can realistically earn, and whether each method is actually worth your time. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub. If you're looking for genuine side income opportunities, not get-rich-quick schemes, then you're in the right place. Before we begin, let's set realistic expectations. Every method in this video is completely free to join. You can sign up and start earning almost immediately by completing simple tasks such as surveys, playing mobile games, cashback shopping, and micro jobs. Will these methods make you rich? No. Can they help you earn extra money in your spare time and cash out through Cash App? Absolutely. I'll walk you through all 7 platforms, explain how they work, their payout requirements, and who they're best suited for, so you can choose the options that fit your goals. Let's get started with platform number 1. Prime Opinion is one of the best survey platforms available right now. It works through both its website and mobile app and offers a large number of paid surveys daily. New users often receive a welcome bonus, and one of the biggest advantages is its low Cash App payout threshold. You only need around $1.25 to cash out, and payments are typically processed within minutes. If you want a fast and beginner-friendly way to start earning, Prime Opinion is a great place to begin. Platform number 2, EarnStar. If you enjoy playing mobile games, this next platform could be one of the easiest ways to earn extra Cash App money. EarnStar is available on both desktop and mobile devices, but its biggest earning opportunities come from mobile gaming offers. You'll find hundreds of games that pay you for reaching certain levels, completing challenges, or hitting specific milestones. The platform also includes paid surveys and other simple tasks, giving you multiple ways to earn from the same account. One thing I really like about EarnStar is its low payout threshold. You only need around $1.25 to cash out through Cash App, making it one of the fastest platforms for new users to receive their first payment. Besides Cash App, EarnStar also supports several other payout methods, including PayPal, bank transfers, and gift cards. The best part? Payments are usually processed very quickly, often within minutes after requesting a withdrawal. Now, let's be realistic. If you don't enjoy mobile games, this probably won't be your favorite option. But if you're already spending time playing games on your phone, EarnStar gives you a chance to earn some extra money while doing something you already enjoy. For gamers looking for a simple side hustle, EarnStar is definitely worth checking out. Platform number 3, Ibotta. What if you could earn money back on purchases you were already planning to make? That's exactly what Ibotta helps you do. Unlike survey and gaming apps, Ibotta focuses on cashback rewards. Every time you shop through eligible stores or purchase qualifying products, you can earn a percentage of your spending back. This makes it one of the easiest earning methods because you're not completing surveys or grinding through game levels. Instead, you're simply getting rewarded for everyday shopping. The app partners with many popular retailers and online stores, giving users plenty of opportunities to earn cash back throughout the year. Once your earnings reach the payout threshold, you can withdraw your money through several payment options, including Cash App. The minimum amount needed for a Cash App withdrawal is typically around $20, which is higher than some of the other platforms on this list. However, because the earnings come from purchases you may have made anyway, many users find it well worth the wait. Who is this method best for? If you regularly shop online, buy groceries, or make purchases from major retailers, Ibotta can help you save money and earn cash back at the same time. Just remember, cash back is only a good deal when you're buying things you genuinely need. Don't spend money just to earn rewards. Used wisely, Ibotta can become a simple way to put extra cash back into your pocket every month. And there you have it, legitimate platforms that can help you earn extra money and get paid through Cash App. Remember, none of these methods will make you rich overnight, but they can be a great way to earn some extra cash during your free time. Whether you prefer taking surveys, playing games, completing offers, or earning cash back while shopping, there's an option here that can fit your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub, for more real online money-making strategies, app reviews,